Hi, so I've just received the parcel in the mail. It's a 1/4 inch socket set from Stahlwille, and they told me there at or gave the online handle there a call, and they say it's the older metal version of the case, and not the plastic one. So let's open up and have a look. Alright, nice box. Ah, what a shame. It's the plastic case. Ah, well. So that's an ABS case. It's a shame, but whatever. Let's have a look at the tools. Alright. Here you can see I've got the foam here with a bunch of markings in there indicating what's what and what goes where. Nice stepped layout of the positions of the tools. There's this screwdriver attachment. A little bit of plastic there still coming off from the moulding process. This is just their regular ratchet. They do have a fine tooth ratchet, which comes with like a button on the back to pop out your ratchet bits. But, this will do to start off with. There's that little... So yeah, just a 1/4 inch set, nice and small. Yeah, so anyway, that's just a quick unboxing, and yeah, shame it's not the metal case, but I don't think I'll send it back. I think I'll keep it because finding the metal case is nigh impossible these days. They switched about a year ago to the plastic cases. You can still get some 3/8 sets in, and 1/2 inch and inch sets in metal cases, but yeah, I think for my purposes this will do fine. All right, no worries. Cheers.